A very good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you question answers of section C, unit 6 from the class 7th English channel book. The name of the chapter is When Hitler Stole the Pink Rabbit. First of all, let us do read to understand. Question A. Answer these questions with reference to the context. These are the lines. Papa thinks the Nazis might cause us some bother if they knew that he had gone. First question. Who said this and to whom? Answer. Mama said this to Anna. Question 2. What was the precautions that the family was taking? Answer. The family was trying to hide the fact that Anna's next father had left Germany. Question 3. Why would the Nazis bother them? Answer. The Nazis would bother them if they found out that Anna and Max's father had left Germany. B part. Answer these questions. First question. Why did Anna and Max's father have to leave Germany? Answer. Anna and Max's father was a writer and he had openly criticized Hitler and his policies during the time he was coming into power. His friends warned him that he would be caught and tortured, so he escaped in the nick of time to France and then to England. The nick of time means समय रहते. Question 2. Hitler is known in the history for the torture and killing of millions of Jews. Do you think the family was lucky to escape his clutches before he assumed power? Why? Answer. Yes, the family was lucky to have escaped Hitler's clutches before he came into power, as he would have probably tortured and killed them if they had been caught by his soldiers. Question 3. Why did Anna feel that they would not be tolerated by the Nazis because they were Jews? Answer. Anna felt that they would not be tolerated by the Nazis because they were Jews, as Hitler hated Jews and would not want them to live in Germany if he came into power. Question 4. Why did their mother ask Anna and Max to keep their father's escape a secret? Answer. Their mother asked Anna and Max to keep their father's escape a secret because he felt that the Nazis would trouble them if they found out about it. Question number 5. Why did their mother speak very calmly and simply when their life was in grave danger? Grave means serious. Answer. Their mother spoke very calmly and simply even when their life was in grave danger because she did not want to scare and panic the children. However, he did explain the graveness of the situation to them. Graveness means seriousness. Question 3. Did Anna and Max feel the danger to their lives when their father was escaping by? Answer. No. Anna and Max did not feel the danger to their lives when their father was escaping because they were too young to understand the gravity of the situation, and their mother appeared cheerful and optimistic. They were also very excited about the move as they would get to experience a whole new life. Discuss and write. Question. Do you think that Anna and Max's father had done the right thing by leaving his wife and children? Think about what their mother said about the Nazis troubling the wife and children. Think also about what would have happened if their father would have not left immediately. Write your answer in about 100 words. Yes, he did the right thing by leaving his wife and children as they were safe in the Germany. For some time, as they were loyal friends to look after them, but his father was hiding in the other country. He could be caught anywhere, so to make sure first about the security of the family, he was trying to hide in other country, and for the safety of the family. If he would not leave Germany, then he would be caught by Nazis and maybe tortured and killed. This is all students. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching the video. Write the question answers in your fair notebook and learn them too.